we've arrived. So it's actually up on the second floor, just up over there. So we're going to head up and I'll show you Plamodel factory. But first I've got to find a phone case, so I'm going to have a hunt around for that for a sec. So there's the shop. There's a little display out the front today. So got some four-wheel drive accessories, Sloth Outlaw, I've never heard that brand. But yeah, got some four-wheel drive here. And the Civic, which is it's pretty slammed. Not much room under there. But yeah, rooftop tent. Must be the fashion nowadays, I don't know. But yeah, that's the shop. So I'll just show you around the back, because there is some stuff around the back. For more of the mini four-wheel drive stuff. Big track here. It's a sort of small track and then a big track over this side. And then like over there is a pit set up and all your badging and logos. Yeah, if that's your thing, this is a good place for it. I'm just going to go back around the front and show you guys inside. So the bike's still here from last time. I actually did have a bit of a look around real quick, and not really a lot of new stuff, to be honest. I'll give you guys a bit of a look around with me. XB stuff up here, XSA stuff over there. Yeah, I guess it's pricing. That's about $350. Sorry about the flickering, there is a flicking light just there. I did find an old kit, where was it? Back over here somewhere. Probably the oldest kit I saw. Right down here. And that's a 06 Toyota 86. That's 9,000 baht, but you'll get 20% off. And the TAO2 037 Rally 7,700, you'll get 20% off that too. Dark Impact. That's probably the three oldest kits in the shop. But we never got the new DF03 SR coming soon, so we'll wait for that. Some yeah, mini four-wheel drive stuff here. And on this side, there's some bodies and some BTO1 stuff, CCO2 stuff down there. Like I said, they're the oldest kits I saw, so the all the vintagey stuff, I guess. Okay, stop the video. Now, I don't want to interrupt for too long, maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes, but I've done a deal for you guys with my local hobby shop. So in where I live in Perth, so my local hobby shop is Ace RC Models down in Midland. And I always go down there. I always get a lot of parts, a lot of kits from those guys. So Scotty and Chris, just awesome guys. Always helpful, always friendly. We did a bit of a deal for you guys, for my viewers. So if you use the code TamiyaAusYT, you're going to get 10% off all your Tamiya parts. So yeah, put that in when you check out, automatically 10% discount. Save you guys some money. Perfect. We always want to save money on our hobbies. The guys are just awesome down there. They have tons and tons of parts in stock, tons of parts on the shelves. Nothing's too hard. Nothing. There's no such thing as a silly question with those boys. So yeah, head down to their website, which is acercmodels.com. And check on, they've got parts. There's a little search bar at the top, usually a 5-digit part number you're looking for. Whack your part number in and it'll bring you up the parts that are available. If they don't have it in stock, they can usually order from the east. Won't take too much time. Amazing website, easy to navigate. But yeah, use my code TamiyaAusYT, 10% off all your Tamiya parts. Unfortunately, at this point, can't do anything on kits, but he has a massive selection of kits in stock, like most of the Tamiya range that's currently available. There's other stuff as well, but no one really cares about that. Let's be honest, Tamiya is where we're at. Yeah, check their website. You guys will love it. 10% off all your parts. Hopefully I can save you some money. Let's get back to the video. Still can't find that body set that I want, which is that body set there. Still can't find that one, but I'll find it. I'll have to order it online. I can get it here. This is the unpainted body for 6,300. I want the painted body for 7,200. That's not the colour I'm going for, so I'm not going to get that. I think that bruiser was here last time. There's sun damage on it. 34,000 baht, so it's about $1,700. You get 20% obviously. All your paints, some military stuff over here, tanks and the like, some tools. Set up for Christmas. So I'm supposed to have some new stuff here today. I had some minis. That's what it said on their Facebook page, but nothing's here. There you go. Plamodel factory, Zeer, Rangsit. Yeah, a little bit disappointing. Nothing new there, so nothing worth me getting here that I have to carry all the way back to town. The shop down the road, the Premium Club, which is in a soak, that's one got most of the same stuff. Or the one in Thamiya Plaza's got a lot of the same stuff. So if there's anything that I want, I'm just going to get it there. But yeah, that is a factory store. So there is another one in the mall in Bangkok, which I'm going to go to now. But before that, so the next video, I'm going to go to somewhere I haven't been before in Thailand, which is way away, but not on a train or transit line, so I'm going to have to go get a cab there. But I reckon you guys are going to like that video, so I'm going to see you in our next video, guys. Thanks for watching, bye! So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.